Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, let's see how to make egg stew in a very easy and different way. Before getting into the video, let me tell you guys, all recipe videos in this channel are in two languages. As I'm from Kerala, I'm posting videos both in Malayalam and English language. You will find videos in the playlist as recipes in English and recipes in Malayalam. You can watch the video in your favorite language. Now let's start. To make egg stew, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan and add a cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 star anise. Add some curry leaves, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it. Add 4 chopped onions and saute it well. Add some salt. Add salt while sauteing onions so that the onions get cooked soon. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. When the onions are half cooked, add a tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste and saute well. Cover and cook again. Make sure the onion doesn't get burnt, so it's always better to reduce the heat and cook. When the onions are cooked well, add 1½ cup of thin coconut milk. Before adding coconut milk, always give a mix and then add. Let it boil. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Between, open the lid and add a teaspoon of coriander leaves. After it gets boiled, add 6 eggs. Poke the eggs multiple times with a toothpick like this before adding so they can absorb the gravy's flavors. Mix well and add half teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Add some coriander leaves and mix it. After adding thick coconut milk, do not allow to boil much. Simmer for 2 or 3 minutes and then remove them from the flame. Finally, add a teaspoon of coconut oil and cover and leave for 10 minutes. Move this to a serving bowl. So our tasty egg stew or curry is ready to serve. This stew is very yummy and can be served with chappathi, paratha, dosa, appam, bread, etc. I prefer to have this with rice and is super yummy. Instead of eggs, you can make the same gravy with chicken or mutton. So what are you waiting for? Try this at home and leave your feedback in the comment section under the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If so, please do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.